how do I replace the oil in a hydro transformator. Okay, and one, two, three per 4 liters per one, and this is the last one. Yes, this is the last one. Okay, let's start the engine. Let's start the engine. Okay. And enough. Okay. I hope you like this film. It's 26 millimeters piping. Okay. It's 26 millimeters, and in the next time I use a better one, I mean bigger one and better one bucket. This is almost clean, yes, almost clean. A lot of liters. I think it will be enough. Do not start the engine more. It is really be enough. Cool. I hope you like my film. 2 meters long, yes. It's ideal in this hole. This hole are 25 probably, or 24, 25, and the pipe are 26. And also I use this one and this one, yes. Okay. I hope you like my film. Okay.